Today we have 5 people here. You can see the guys. Hello. And this is another guy. So we guys are going to hike towards Brunnstein Peak. We are going to start from Scharnitz. It's a rich path to Brunnstein. So this is the start point of our hike. We have crossed the Scharnitz Bahnhof, and this is my team. And he is the leader, Mr. Fabio from Italy. There you can see in the behind the Scharnitz village from where we started.
Show our incredible skills and let's roll down. What the fuck should I pass?
Straight up. Scrambling, bro, scrambling.
Yes, I see the sign.
This is the level 1 scrambling here.
No, I was not seeing the...
After 40 minutes of hike from Scharnitz, you have this scrambling portion. It could be a little tricky during the rains. This is the grade 1 scrambling. You can see the professionals here. There you can see is the first peak with the cross, and after that we'll have Rotwandlspitze. This is Brunnsteinspitze. Now we have last 170 meters to the Brunnsteinspitze, and from there Rotwandlspitze is hardly 12-15 meters. We will be at the Tiroler Hütte where we can have some drinks and food. So that's the motivation. That there you can see is the Rotwandlspitze. We are at Brunnsteinspitze. We took some drone shots at Brunnsteinspitze, which is that with the cross, and here now we are at Rotwandlspitze having some snacks. And now we will be heading towards Mittenwald, which is approximately 3 hours from here. We will stop at the lake and have some relaxation there. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.